Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, trailer tow package, and the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, you have that nice tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection. Moving to the front, we have front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black leathered perforated. We also have 2 cup holders and some arm space by just pulling that down. We got 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats, a 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 120 right there. Plenty of door space as well, B&O sound system, as well as nice brown leathering on the door, and lifting this up you do get extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, your parking brakes there, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, blind spot, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10.7 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We got a toggle for a main menu, phone and media, cruise control, volume and voice. And looking at our main screen, you have My View, which has trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Taking a look over here, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift with your speeds right there, and it's also collapsible, providing you with a lot more storage. You got storage here, 2 cup holders, storage with a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and this does close for you. You got your rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive modes, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, rock crawl, and all the way to the left here, you do get tow and haul, eco, and sport. Taking a look over here, you have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, plus your dual climate, 120 volt, 12 volt. Clicking this, you do get storage there, and in the glove compartment, you have your auto stop, auto start, backup camera, park sensing, hazards, traction, and downhill. Got storage up here as well. We got our features for a twin panel moonroof, as well as a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our main screen here, you do have audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have what phone's connected, your navigation, of course. Your Fave app, which you can choose from this selection, plus power tailgate, Wi-Fi, and so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, there's that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings such as personal profiles, Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth, and features of your vehicle such as smart hitch, owner's manual, onboard scales, towing, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF24595, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.